How to use playback feature in Reolink. Missed a live event? No problem. The Reolink app's playback feature lets you easily review past recordings from your camera's SD card or cloud storage. Let's revisit those moments. Open your Reolink app. From the main dashboard, you can often tap on the playback icon directly on a camera's preview. Alternatively, enter the live view for a camera and then tap on the playback option from the controls. You'll see a timeline. Use the calendar or date picker to select the date that you want to review. Then choose your recording source, SD card for local camera recordings or cloud if you see Reolink's cloud service. The timeline will show colored segments indicating recorded events. Drag along the timeline to navigate to a specific time. Tap on a segment to start playing the video. You'll have controls to pause, adjust playback speed, or even download the clip directly to your iPhone. Review any past event with ease. You've successfully used the playback feature in the Reolink app. Never miss an important moment again. Like and subscribe for more Reolink app tutorials.